Looking for a perfect day trip from Chittagong? Discover Sitakunda, where hills, waterfalls, and the sea meet in harmony. Start your morning with a light trek through Sitakunda Eco-Park and explore the hidden beauty of Sohosrodhara Waterfall. In monsoon, the water cascades into a serene forest lake, peaceful, refreshing, and picture-perfect. By afternoon, head just a few kilometers to Guliakhali Sea Beach, a magical place where green fields touch the sea. No crowds, no chaos, just quiet waves, mangrove trees, and fresh air. All this, just an hour away from the city. Sitakunda and Guliakhali, a journey worth taking.